Good morning, students. I welcome back you all for the English class. Today, our topic is negotiation. And first, let us recap what we have seen in the last class. We have seen group discussion and also debate. I think you all know the difference between group discussion and debate. Yes, here in our today's topic, negotiation. Negotiation is a method by which people settle differences. It is a process by which compromise or agreement is reached while avoiding argument and dispute. Here, in negotiation, also, the same type of discussion between a group of members takes place, but the difference is here they will be sitting together and they won't argue, but they will justify their point, telling out that in what way that will be a positive, in what way that will be that will give a positive effect. Okay. In order to attain or in order to attain good results, this negotiation must have a structured approach. Okay, for example, in an work situation, a meeting must be arranged and the time limit should be considered. Here, the process of negotiation is preparation, discussion, clarification of goals, negotiate towards a win win outcome, agreement, implementation of a course of action. The process of negotiation, here, as I said earlier, for preparation, the decision will be taken by a group of members as when and where a meeting should take place and who is going to speak, who is going to come as a participant in that decision making uh, meeting, and then there should be a time limit for the discussion. And in discussion, what other things will be discussed is they will be asking several questions in order to get clear about the doubts what they have on a particular point. And then they will be clarifying the doubt after discussion and they want to give out the, as I said, they should be able to give justification. And third one is clarifying goals. From the discussion what they have did, they must be able to what able to uh, come out with a solution, and at last they should be able to justify what they support, and then negotiate towards a win-win outcome means they should consider the two sides alternative strategies, that two positive alternative strategies, and they can further discuss on it in order to get a successful outcome out of it. The agreement, both sides should be both sides will be arguing on different points, and that different points must be agreed between the two parties in order to accept and bring that into action. At last, what they will be doing is a course of action plan will be framed where the decision will be taken on a particular thing, and this will be this will come into effect on such and such dates. As we get the circular here, a course of action will be planned and they will be proceeding with that particular action as how they decided in as how they decide in this negotiation. Three elements of negotiation are attitude, knowledge, and interpersonal skills. And what a person must possess in order to be a good negotiator is they should be a effective verbal communicator, that is they should have a good fluency in language, and they should be a silent listener and also active listener. I think you all know the difference between active listener and silent means they should have patience enough to listen to others idea. Active listener is they should be able to get a point out of others discussion. and then misunderstand. They should be a person with good quality, that they don't want to make the opponent argue on a particular point, and they should have a relationship with one another in order to give out a good solution, and they should also possess a problem solving skills, and they should be there should be an authoritative character in them in order to decide on something, and they should be an assertive person. So for a good negotiator, these are all the skills needed. I think you all understand what is negotiation and what are the skill set needed. Yes, thank you.